Russia accused the West on Friday of sponsoring nuclear terrorism after authorities said a Ukrainian drone attacked town of Kurchatov, the location of a nuclear power plant similar to the Chernobyl plant. An aircraft-type kamikaze drone exploded in the Russian town of Kurchatov, a few kilometers from the Kursk Nuclear Power Plant. This is not the first such attack. There was an attempt to strike the plant back in April. It was repelled by Russian air defenses. In August 2022, Ukrainian saboteurs blew up 6 towers of high-voltage power lines through which the nuclear power plant supplies energy. There also was an attempt by the Foreign Intelligence Service of Ukraine to blow up more than 30 power transmission towers of high-voltage power lines of the Leningrad and Kalinin nuclear power plants in May 2023. Dr. Christopher Busby, physical chemist and scientific secretary of the European Committee on Radiation Risk said, "I must say that attacking nuclear power stations with missiles and explosives is the height of lunacy and moral irresponsibility. Such behavior must be of concern to all in Europe, and indeed the world. We know, from Chernobyl, what the outcome can be. How can anyone want to create another such disaster?" The Kursk Nuclear Power Plant is similar to the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. It has 3 Chernobyl-type RBMK graphite-moderated direct steam-producing reactors of about 1,000 MW each. So, this is a Chernobyl-equivalent reactor system, and if any of the reactors or their cooling water systems is destroyed, we could see an exact copy of the Chernobyl meltdown and nuclear explosion, the scientists said. Such an event would heavily contaminate the region around 50 kilometers radius and also, like Chernobyl, contaminate Europe, with differences in various countries dependent on the weather conditions, the physical chemist said. So, the results would go beyond Russia. Kiev is about 300 kilometers to the southwest, and should the wind direction be northeasterly, it would be significantly contaminated. We must recall that radioactive contamination caused increases in child leukemia and other cancer in Wales and Scotland, some 1,800 miles away, and increased breast cancer rates in Sweden, as I know from studies I have personally carried out and published in scientific journals and at conferences including a World Health Organization, WHO, conference in Kiev in 2000. In addition to attacks making the cooling systems to the plant fail, including destroying electrical inputs to the site, there is also the dangerous possibility that spent fuel cooling ponds might be attacked and fail, leading to similar disastrous consequences, the scientist highlighted. The Ukrainian military also continues to shell the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Busby noted nuclear power plants are effectively a controlled nuclear bomb. He warned that the radioactive fallout from a possible disaster at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant would make Europe pretty much uninhabitable. The Ukrainian forces' attack on the dam of the Kakhovka hydroelectric power plant on June 6 also posed a nuclear risk, given that water from the Kakhovka reservoir is used to cool the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant's 6 reactors and spent fuel storage, according to the scientist.